What's up, everybody? I appreciate you all for joining the channel. Let us begin right away. This morning we started very late. As you can see, the market just opened before we even began our technical analysis and mapping our map. And that's fine. That's fine. As a result of this little issue we had, guess what? I hope you guys like the new layout. I think it's really nice. All right. Let us sit back, let us relax, and let us go through our mapping real quick, and then we'll look into taking trades. All right, cool. We trade supply and demand. So let us then focus on identifying where supply and demand are at. We all know where supply and demand is at, right? Cool. Wicks. You look for wicks. The spots where price comes and you had this reaction. You know what I'm saying? So let me make sure I adjust myself to the center of the camera. All right, cool. All right, let's go ahead and identify this right here. There's a wick right here. So what do? We go ahead and mark this bad boy. It's a beautiful spot here. Right? This is the spot where the price reacted. It came and it reacted. Let's go ahead and mark that spot real quick. Right? What else? Where else? Do you guys see any other wicks here? There's a wick right here. Hello. Let's do that real quick. Let's go ahead and mark this one. Let's go ahead and duplicate this and mark it. Okay. So as you guys can see with the pre-market action, looks like things are kind of, wants to go on the downside. If this holds above this line, I think we can, comfortably look into maybe trading. But this is a beautiful wick right here. This is a nice wick right here. We also got some wick back here, so we're gonna go ahead and mark them as well. We're marking the wicks. We're marking the pre-market wicks. That's it. That's all we're doing right now. All right. It's also, of course, wick up here, but this is the selling wick. Okay. Okay. At least we have something marked. So let us then look into trading right now to go put. Essentially, we're getting a rejection on the VWAP, also rejection here. Once we start to cross below here, we'll take a look into taking a put. But because we're seeing this wick, ideally I don't want to go against this wick, but we'll see what happens though. All right. If this candle closes above here, if the body closes above here, of course ideally you want to go long instead of a what's it called, taking a put. But if the body closes below here and we have less than a minute, actually we have to start preparing in either direction here for SPY. All right. If the body closes above, we're gonna go long. If the body closes, okay, the body closed below, so we're gonna go put. We're gonna go put. All right, let's go ahead and buy a put real quick on the VWAP. Well, the body did close above. I shouldn't be buying a put. Actually, now I think about it. Wait a minute. I think I should still be fine. No, you don't want to buy a put here, guys. I made a mistake. Maybe I didn't make a mistake because it did close below. So I'm right. Never mind. I just got spooked out. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add to my puts because it's now crossing that line. That's what I wanted. That's why I got scared. All right, I got a little phase. All right. I got a little phase. I think I should be fine. The fact that it's still closed above it really scares me. But the fact that we have a wick right here, I should still be fine. Ideally, I wanted to have this body close here. That's why I was a bit hesitant in entering this position, to be honest, on the put side. But I did enter on the put side. I think I'm still fine because we did close below the VWAP. Ideally, I wanted to have a close below the this wick here. But I think I should still be fine because it's still following my rule. I'm still below the view. I'm not going against the market. I'm fine. All right, here we go. So I want to have my stop loss right here. I think this is a very risky trade. I'm not going to lie, it appears, or maybe I'm just super nervous. But ideally right here would be my stop loss. Okay. We'll see if we can get some nice sell off here. If it starts to, yeah, it's holding it. Like I said, it's holding it. We'll see if we can, if it's going to go above the VWAP. If we're not seeing no wick above the VWAP, so that means this thing wants to go up. Makes sense. It's fine though. We'll take an L and we'll call it at that. As long as, good. I'm glad we got the wick. Good. Very good. We're getting a wick on the VWAP. As long as we're getting that, we're fine. Good. It's getting a rejection off the VWAP. Very good. I really thought it's going to go up because of this level. This isn't a trade where it's like, yeah, we're below the VWAP, but we're also close to very tightly to this level. That's kind of makes it really scary, and also makes it really for great opportunity. Because if this were to break, not only is it rejecting here, but it's also rejecting the VWAP, so it can have a nice flush. So we'll see what happens here. And I'm also going against this candle. The only thing that's in my favor right now is a wick right here and the view up rejection, also below the view up. Those are the elements that are in my favor, and as well as the overall, price action being on the downside. So there's three in my favor. However, what's against me, I'm going against this right here. I'm going against what? I'm going against this level here. That's it. That's the only thing that's against me right now. So I gotta cool off, bro. I'm fine. I am fine. I believe I'm fine. All right, cool. Let's just sit back, relax, and just trade how we normally always trade. I know I'm just getting phased out here. So we're fine. We're completely fine here. All right, cool. We're getting a wick. I like that. I like that we're still seeing wick on the VWAP. I'm ready to keep buying more I need to see this break this level so I can buy more puts. But, I think I'm already fine with the amount I'm already in. This is my idea. I want to see if it's going to pass this candle. We're still hovering here, so that tells me this level is still kind of holding, doing its best to try to push it up, but I'm glad that's getting pushed down. All right, it's getting a push down, so I'm ready to buy more puts here. Can we see a break of that body? Good. Good, very good. Went ahead and added one more. Oh, I thought we were going to cross it. Good, we're crossing it finally. I went ahead and added in. All right, cool. We crossed it. So now we're gonna start preparing to take money here at certain levels. Tesla's dumping right now. Very good. We're up 7% already, so let's go ahead and cool off real quick. Let's get some money off the ground. Very good. We took 2 off right now. We'll take some money off the ground right now. Let's go ahead and refresh our P&L. Okay, we took a little bit off here, so I want to continue holding it and see if we can really push it down. I don't like that we're going against this candle, this wick right here. But at the same time, it's fine. We are with the market, so we are fine on holding this through. Okay, that's the only thing. Those are the 2 things that are against us. What? A right here, this wick right here, right? Right, that wick right there, and that's it. That's really all it. I think, yeah. All right, cool. Let us just sit back, relax. To be honest, we're not gonna. We took some money, of course, here, so you guys can see the realized P&L. But my goal is not to sell early. That's something I'm learning, right? That's why I'm gonna hold this through and see if we're actually gonna break here. I'm either gonna be A, selling at a break at this level, or B, break even. You know what I'm saying? If it goes to the VWAP, I'm out. If it goes to the VWAP, what? I'm out. It's getting a wick right now, which is expected, right? This right here, this level, and that's fine. So I can actually continue to add, but it's already too late now. You already dipped back down. So now you can start to place put at this level because now the price is below here. You can start to add put at this level. That's what you can do, actually. But the way things are trading with SPY, with Tesla right now, I think this is going to be looking to go extremely on the downside. I don't know why our contract's not moving a lot. Now it is, finally. Let's go ahead and sell something here, right? Let's get something off the ground here. All right, beautiful dip down. We're going to see if we're going to go all the way down here. This beautiful dip. It got picked up here. Do you think it's gonna have this swoosh? Oh wow, this is nice. Let's go ahead and sell one out here. Let's go ahead and refresh this bad boy. Nice. Let's go ahead and get one more out because we're really tight to that level. And let's leave this one in. Let's see how far this one can take us. Let's see how far this one can take us. This is a beautiful trade. I just got phased in the morning. Oh my goodness. Let me just enjoy this profit, bro. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Let's go! Okay, I'm not sure what that was about. All right. Your boy just got a little excited, all right? Look at that, bro. Right? I know what I'm doing. I just feel so good. I feel so sensational. All my hard work, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing my hard work of consistency, of depression, paying off. What a dip! And we were on the right side of that trade because I identified what's going on. Yo, this is so exciting. Like, I love this so much. Wow, it reached this level. Imagine we had our 6 all the way, but of course. Okay. Let's cool down. Ooh. All right. No more dancing. I'm gonna leave the dance to the dancers. I'm not a dancer here. All right, here we go. But when HRT is excited, he starts to move, bro. All right, can't help it. All right, here we go. Let's begin. All right, let's cool off the emotion. All right. I know we Yo, this is incredible. Yeah, I'm not taking any more trades, by the way. Let us cool off real quick, and we're gonna do a quick recap of this trade and why I took this trade and all that stuff. Okay, now that we're cooled off, let's go ahead and now do a quick recap of our trade. Yo, this is fucking awesome. All right, this is awesome. All right, cool. Let us begin. All right, so as I've said in the beginning, yo, we gotta respect this, bro. This is awesome. All right, cool. All right, so as we said, right? As we said when we're starting, when I went ahead and started the video, started live, market opened, and ideally I like to do a lot of like analyzation of the before the market opens. I like to do that. That's what I do. I didn't have that chance, so I needed to quickly identify real quick where are the spots are, where are the price actions, where are the supply and demand. So I went ahead and marked it right here because you guys can see this wick. We also got this wick right here, as you guys can see it, right? And then in the opening, of course, we had this here. We don't need to worry about that. We care about the pre-market, right? So that's that, right? So once the market opened, right, we had this 10-minute right here, and this is the VWAP. So right off the bat, what are we recognizing here? There's a what? There's a sell down going on, right? You crossed below the VWAP, we rejected the VWAP, and as well as this level, we're kind of going downward. So once this 10-minute closed and the price opened below it, you know what I'm saying? Like the VWAP was around right here, and he actually the body closes below. And that's what I wanted to enter. I said to myself, what? Hey, bruh, once this body closes below the VWAP, I'm going to enter a put. Follow the trend. But but guess what was against me? This freaking level. This is a level right here. I marked it. Look at this. And you have the VWAP right above the level. And the body and the price closed below the VWAP, and as well as between and above this line. So I was a bit like, I don't know what the heck to do. I'm like, oh shit, what do I do? Which one? You know what I'm saying? Because ideally, just purely looking at this level alone, what do I have to do? I have to buy a call. You know what I'm saying? Once the price got picked up, especially with the wick and closed above a beautiful, supply and demand area, ideally you want to be with that push. And I was about to buy a call, but then I stopped myself. I'm like, wait a minute. Above me is the VWAP, and I'm underneath the VWAP. Holy shit. Like, what do you do? So I had to follow my instincts and said to myself, you know what? This is a case. I just got to follow the market. Just follow the market. You know what I'm saying? What other information I could use on which one to determine what I should do? You know what I did? I went ahead and followed the trend here. Okay, cool. The trend is down. All right. The pre-market action is down. So look at the what? Look at the price action for better understanding. So the price action told me we're kind of going downward. Okay, so we're going downward. And on top of that, this 10-minute of the open, we closed below the VWAP. You know what? I think I'm going to go on the put side. And yes, I'm going to go against this. Level. I did good. I did very good. I'm very happy that I made that decision because that would make sense. You know what I'm saying? That information makes sense to do that. And what did I say? What did I say when I entered the position after I got done, being all shocked and everything? What did I say? I said to myself, bro, this is actually a really, really sweet spot because right now, this level right here and above that level is the VWAP. So now, if the price were to reject the VWAP, you know what that also means? It's going to also reject automatically here as well. So double whammy, right here. There we go. Double whammy, as they call it. Gee. You know what I'm saying? Like double the pressure. Double the pressure of you know what I'm saying? Of a flush will occur. I said that. I called it because I've recognized it many times in the past. And look at what happened. HRT at it again, making money. All right? Look at this flush. Absolute beautiful, gorgeous, lovely. Okay, we get the idea, all right? You got it? That's exactly what happened. We flushed from this level and just, yeah. So we did very well. We did very well in understanding the trade, and we went ahead and took it. I'm proud of myself. HRT, nice job. I hope that you found this very valuable. Go ahead and please subscribe to the channel, bro. I got you. All right? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit a like. You know, shoot me your question, brother. I got you. I'll answer the best I can. Go ahead and place your questions and your thoughts on this. Go ahead. I got you. I'm gonna look through it and I'm gonna read it. All right? And I'm gonna respond to you. So that's what happened today. First of all, I want to just pause real quick. I appreciate you for doing that. Appreciate you for tapping the like button and as well as subscribing because that helps the algorithm and pushes it down to, you know, to others who are just like you, trying to learn, try to improve. You know what I'm saying? And so I appreciate you passing this video down to them. Thanks for hitting the like button and as well as subscribing. All right. So that's exactly what happened, right? So we did good in our entry. We did good in our entry. So now we have to talk about the other side of the trading, taking profits. Did we do good on that? What could have improved? That's what I want to talk about. Because obviously, of course, we left a lot of money on the table. Let's be 100 here. Let's be 200, actually. Get 100. Let's be 2. Right? Because we did left money on the table. And so part of my strategy when it comes to selling is I sell at levels. I sell at what levels? So when we were right here, right? Price opened up. We got to this level. What did I do? I went ahead and took one out. I went ahead and took what? Took one out. Now, once he cracked this level and was reaching this level, I went ahead. I think I took 2 out around here. Right? I took what? 2 out around here. So 3 is out already. So, and then I think once he broke here and around here, I took the other 2. I think I did okay with my selling strategy. I think I did very well. With that last one, could I have held it? Sure. I could have held it, sure, you know. Maybe see if we're going to go here. But when I saw a wick, I didn't think I needed to go against that. And then plus, I've already made money so short a time. I guess I figured I just take the money. It's fine. But I think I did really well in my selling as well. In my selling. In the past, I know the past few days, you guys have seen the videos in the past. If these, you know, take a look at it. I usually sell like a lot. Like at this recent, when the next level comes, I'm like laying off most of it. Where this one, I know what I did. I took 1 off. I took maybe 2 off here. I did it slowly. I did it, you know, slowly. So I have improved in that department, and I'm proud of myself for that. Okay, and so we're this is all learning experience. So I'm glad that you're learning with me. I'm glad that you're learning with me. I'm glad that you find this very, very valuable. And that's what I did today. And I think we did good in our selling. Cool. Now, what can we improve? What can we improve here? Put it in the comment below. What could we have improved on this trade? I want to leave that to you. Give me a suggestion. If you've also watched my other videos, give me a suggestion what I could improve on. We're all here learning. Let me know what you have learned that I haven't learned yet so that I can learn from you. And I'm going to pass down to you what I have learned. All right? So, I think I'm going to leave that in the comment. I'm going to wait for you guys. I'm going to read through your guys' response, what we could have done better in capturing most of this move here. We capture some. My goal is what? 120 a day. Today we scored $81. We're going to just take it, just put it in the bank. Move on to the next day. All right? We're going to what? Move on to the next day. That's it. That is it. All right? Cool. By the way, do you guys like this layout? I low-key like it. You know, this layout with the, you know, this being right here and this being right there. I think it's actually kind of cool instead of having it right on top of me. So you guys can feel like you guys are more engaged with the chart. And because the, you know what I mean? Because the price literally moving right above the chart. I thought that was a good idea. All right, cool. Cool. All right. I think we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna what? Call it a day. Our goal is 120. We made 81. We're short a few dollars. That's fine. We're gonna go ahead and call it. Go to the next day and capture the next W and put it in the pocket. Because there'll be some days we're gonna make more than 120. Because that's what happened yesterday. Yesterday we made what? 145. Previous day we made 97. Like we're just kind of like adding up. But on average overall, on the weekends, I say to myself, all right, cool. Is my average $120 a day? Cool. I'm gonna continue this goal until for like maybe the next 2 months. Once I'm really consistent, then I'm gonna bump it up to 220, maybe 350 a day. Until then. So appreciate you all for joining. Go ahead and watch the next video. If you find this very valuable, go ahead and watch the next video and I'll see you in the next video. All right. So HRT out.